I don't even want to think about it. I don't even want to think about what is it that I was doing to my face. Hello Varhandziwa, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new, I am Shukununu, and please click that subscribe button to become a Varhandziwa. Okay, so today you guys, I thought I would do like just a random video of the products that I never finished, skincare products that I never finished. If you're interested to watch that, please keep on watching. Even if you're not interested, please just keep on watching. Please also leave the comment down below, okay? Thank you. So the first product that I have is this Yiung Solution Take Control Mattifying Anti-Spot Moisturizer with SPF 15. And this is the product that I have here. It's supposed to clear up your breakouts and it won't clog your pores. It's also good for sun protection, right? And I actually bought this as a set. If I remember correctly, it is the time when my acne started like booming, like it was coming out a lot and I didn't know how to treat it. So every time I buy something, I would make sure I buy it as a set. So I would use like one brand alone. I just don't know where the friends are, but I remember buying Yiung Solution, and one of my colleagues, you guys, actually laughed and said, yo, I used that product when I was very young and I can't believe you just bought that. I was like, you know what, it says it clears up breakouts, so it's gonna work. No, it didn't work. It didn't work for me. I think I just left it because it just didn't work for me. And on to the next product is, I'm just gonna pick you guys, like I don't have like a sequence. It is this, oh my god, it's even dirty. It is this Roibos Freshening Toner, and I'm thinking I actually bought this as a set as well. I think my acne was just super angry at me at the time. I think my face was just super irritated. Like for instance, I know most people really love the Roibos range, but this just didn't work for me. Next, yeah, like I think I've used any trending products. And if you know very well, this is the Clicks Tea Tree and Cucumber Oil Control Toner. I have no idea why I bought oil control toner, because I do not have oily face. I actually have combination to dry face, but girl bought oil control toner. Was I even reading? Like I think I saw the tea tree part, and that time tea tree, you guys, was super trending, and they said it was good for, you know, acne and stuff, and I bought it. And again, my friend was using this product and she really loved it, and I thought it was gonna work for me. But now that I'm reading at this, I don't understand. I'm trying to understand. I'm failing. And as you can see, you guys, I had used it, like I used it a lot. Now I understand why my face was super dry, because I had the most driest face then. Next product. Ooh, my goodness. Ganier Skin Active Even and Matte Gentle Clarifying Foam. This one, you guys, it cleanses and clarifies to give you an even skin tone. It also improves skin complexion, quick lathers, and it quick rinses, something like that. It has lemon in it. I don't know, you guys, I have used quite a lot of this. Yes, I even remember the smell. Oh my god, I have used like a lot of this. It's somewhere up to here, and I just stopped it because I felt like it was just not for me. Like I feel like it just didn't give me what I was looking for, so that is why I actually stopped it, and I haven't laid a finger on it. Do I think I'll buy it again? No, I don't think so. And as I said, you guys, I used to buy a set, so every time I buy something, I would make sure I buy a full range. So this was a scrub, you guys. Oh my god. Like, it's okay if you are someone who is physically scrubbing your face, but personally, I do not like to do that anymore because it irritates my skin. So my skin is sensitive, so every time I rub something on it, more especially that has beads, it's just a problem. It's a no-no. So this one is a scrub, and it was supposed to remove dead skin cells. It smooths my skin. It was supposed to give me a radiant skin. And every time I was using this product, I would get super irritated. And let me tell you something, you guys, I would admit that I was using this on my active breakouts as well. One thing that I would never do to myself is to exfoliate, more especially physical exfoliate, when I have active breakouts. Like, I have no idea what was going on with me. I think this range, the Ganier range, I had used it because I'm somewhere up to here until I stopped it. So I was a good girl on actually finishing products, inverted commas. So yeah, we've got that. Going with that, y'all, what is this? This is still a lot. This is a toner, and it's a soft soothing toner. It's also by Ganier, even in matte again. It was supposed to soften my skin, revives and refreshes my skin. It was supposed to illuminate my skin. It has pure lemon essence and hydrating agent. I think I went for the lemon because I was trying to brighten my scars, and this is the range that I think I've used like a lot so far, and I don't think it worked for me. It didn't work for me at all. So shockingly, another product that I didn't finish, it is this Benzadem Excess Oil Daily Facial Moisturizer. If you watched my benzac AC videos, you would know this moisturizer because it goes hand in hand with the set itself. Even if you buy, I think when you buy the set on this chem, it comes with this moisturizer as well. So I actually bought this with the benzac AC wash and the benzac AC gel, and this was supposed to moisturize my face. First of all, benzac AC, you guys, dries the hell out of you. Like, it is super drying. It worked for me, but it's super drying. One thing that I noticed is that this moisturizer, like, it's not moisturizing enough, more especially if you are using benzac AC, more especially if you are using benzoyl peroxide. Okay, so I don't think anyone needs this moisturizer when you're using such a harsh product. You need like a very moisturizing moisturizer, and this one is not supposed to actually control your excess oil, which I really didn't have. And also it has an mattifying effect, and it's 24-hour moisturizing effect. That's a lie. I don't think I would recommend this unless if you have oily skin and you are not going in with any benzoyl peroxide or anything, just to reduce your oil, more especially for the people with oily skin. I think that can work for you, but if you are using that product, if you are using the whole set, cut. Okay, now moving on to the next product. It is, this is even funny, that I didn't finish. Calamine. So there's this product right here. Yes, you guys, this is part of my skincare because I bought it for skincare. So someone said if you use calamine on your face, it will dry out your acne and breakouts. I was looking like a ghost every night, y'all. Like, I was applying this every night, and in the morning I would, because my pimples were super painful, I would even have had time to actually remove this just around my pimples. This just definitely didn't work for me. Okay, moving on to the next product. This definitely had a set. I don't know what happened to it. Oh, okay. The Gentle Magic Toner. And y'all, to think that I believed a myth, this myth that numbers like have an effect on this product is just even funnier now. So this is another product that I will definitely not use. If you want to see anything on this product and what it did to me, please just check the video that I'll just link down below. This is the Gentle Magic, the Skin Lotion Toner. Definitely will never use this product, and yeah, it was just super irritating when my skin was burning. And again, this is another product that I will definitely never use, unless if Gentle Magic decides to change their formulation or the way they are formulating their products. These very same products that I'm showing you with the same ingredients, I don't know where the ingredients are, but this is another product that I'll definitely never use, and I never finished it. Okay, guys, I have been living for, yeah, I think I've been through it all, and I think now it has become a habit to actually test products, and I feel like now it's better that I'm actually reviewing them on camera for you, because this is something that I would normally do. So now I'm just like super interested into skincare and how this product actually work on my skin. It is actually more fun than depression, because these things used to depress me back then, and now I'm just having fun with it because I feel like I figured out what really works for me, and you know, just trying out new products so that you guys can see and also just, you know, reference using me sometimes, you know. So with that being said, I just wanted like a little bit of an introduction so that you do not judge me on the next product that I'm going to show you. And this product is the Pseudo Cream Baby care cream. This is the balm cream, y'all. Like, you see the white cream that you use on the babies. Oh my god, I had used it, you guys. I'm not sure if you can see this, but it's way down there and I can definitely smell it. I remember this smell, you guys. Someone really said this product would work for me, and it claims to soothe, this protect and moisturize, of course, for the baby's balm. Guys, tell me, make it make sense why I thought this looked good on my face. Like please make me understand. Okay, there's like, make me understand why I thought this really looked good on my face, because I remember I would actually apply it even during the day and use it as a moisturizer, because they did say it moisturizes. This product just reminds me of a sunscreen that gives me white cast. Like, I literally just look white after applying it. This is the product that is like, it's just giving me that vibe. And you guys, don't ask me how I got this. I think I got this from Twitter or something, because Twitter be making me buy things, y'all. Another skincare product that I never finished. I don't know who told me this is a skincare product, but because I had bought it for my skin, I'll call it a skincare product. The tea tree oil. And you guys, you definitely will not see this because it's just faded. This is from a Discam and it's the tea tree oil. It's still a lot, you guys. I was applying this raw on my face, like, whoo, to think about it, I'm just cringing. How didn't I just dilute this? At least I don't think it's advisable to apply tea tree oil, more especially if it is raw like this on your face. It didn't help me but to actually furthermore irritate my skin, because you guys, I was just using it raw. Like, I don't know, I think people who uses this raw, they're really strong, and again, I have sensitive skin, so no wonder why it didn't work for me. And it was the same time I was using the apple cider vinegar raw on my face. I don't even want to think about it. I don't even want to think about what is it that I was doing to my face. This is one of my best sunscreens. If you watch my sunscreen, the only thing that I didn't finish this on my face, it is because it is oily, so I actually do prefer this on my body and not on my face anymore. But otherwise, this is actually a really good product. This is the Click Sun Protect SPF 30 Invincible spray. It doesn't give you any white cast. The reason why I stopped it is because I wanted a higher SPF, and again, I just didn't want the oiliness of it. I think it's great on your body. What the hell? Rubbing alcohol. So the next product that I didn't finish, it is this Hermosaflor Dark Spot Serum. It is this right here. I think the only time I used this product is when I was doing a review. Like, I think I used it for a week for review purposes, and it gave me like bumps on my face. And I think another reason why it did that, I think I just don't do well with tea tree oil, and again, I just feel like I just didn't give it enough time after that review. Another product that I never went back to it after the review, it is this Korean serum. This was actually working on my skin, was brightening my skin. I just felt like my scars became a little bit darker. I don't know, some people maybe saw a difference on that video. I'll just put the video down below. I saw my complexion getting lighter whereas my scars was getting dark, so I decided to kind of like stop it for a while just to see like what's going on, whether it is this product that was making my scars dark or maybe it was just me and the winter season. But since that review, you guys, I did say that I would actually continue using this product just to see. I never really went back to this product, you guys. So the two products that I still need to give a chance, it is this Hermosaflor Dark Spot Corrector Serum, and this lemon serum from Korean as well. So these are the two products that I'm willing to give them a chance again. I think this is all I have with me right now. There's definitely more. Like, there's just a lot of sets that I don't have anymore with me, but if I did find something, I'll just do a part 2 of this video. So far, this is all I have, you guys. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and become a Varhandziwa. And again, you guys, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that every time I upload, you get notified. And thank you so much for taking your time to watch me today, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.